In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error in moderation on ChatGPT. If you are experiencing this error, then let me show you how you can fix this. In the first place, you need to go ahead and log out of your account and log in afresh and try to generate again and see if this solves your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, you need to go ahead and open a whole new tab to start generating. And this might be because you are trying to generate on a long thread that is training or that is responding with an error. So just go ahead and tap on new chat, and this should go ahead and help you generate a new chat without any issue. However, if you still have a challenge, then go to your account here, click on it, and then choose settings. And under settings, we want to go ahead and clear the ChatGPT memory by tapping on personalization and scroll down here, and you should see memory. Go to manage, and under manage, you should see all your memory settings here, and then click on these three dots, choose delete all memories, and then here you are told ChatGPT may not remember this information going forward, so all the instructions you had given it will be lost. It's still okay. Go ahead and check on this to delete all past versions of saved memories and click on delete all. Once you are done, now go ahead and make your generation or submit your chats, and this should solve any issue on your account. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear your browser history. And to do this, for my case, I'm on Chrome. I'll go to ellipsis here, then choose history, and then history again here, and then choose this tab, delete browser data. By choosing this, you can now delete data for the past 15 minutes, last 1 hour, and even up to all time. Once you have chosen your period, just click on delete data, and then go ahead, log into your ChatGPT account, and this now should have fixed any issue that you are facing. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.